Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. This is Dr. Luis Bolman. I am sharing with you this article written by the American Diabetes Association, ADA. Apparently, or allegedly, these people are the maximum authority when it comes to diabetes. Okay, so the cost of this disease, it is basically what you are reading right here. In 2017, the cost of diabetes in the entire United States was 327 billion with a B. That's a lot of money wasted on people who have a disease that can be prevented almost, almost, I would say 95+% of these patients can be uh, reverted completely if they decide to change their diet, nutrition, mentality, if they work out, exercise, if they change their feelings, emotions, their mindset, and so on and so forth. So that's a lot of money wasted. I don't want to say wasted, inverted. Okay, you invest. That's the word in English. Invested in this disease, but the problem is that these insurance companies, the government, is not teaching these people, means patients with diabetes, how to revert this disease. They are just treating the symptoms, treating the complications, but not preventing these complications. Okay, so the largest components of medical expenditures are hospital inpatient care, 30% of all the medical costs. That's a lot. Look into these prescription medications to treat complications, another 30%. What I just told you, these drugs usually are to allegedly prevent complications, which they do not. They just procrastinate the how can I say, the first complications. Instead of having the first complications in, let's say, 10 years, if you use these drugs, you will have the complications, but not in 10 years. You'll have it in 20 or in 25 years. So they don't prevent complications. They just, it takes longer to for the outbreak of these symptoms. Okay. Anti-diabetic agents, 15%. So basically to decrease your glucose levels, and physician office visits, 13%. If you suspect at some point, or if you something smells bad in a company, in a disease, in a government, in a business, whatever, just follow the money. Follow the money. Who's making more money? The hospital. Who's making more money? The prescriptions to allegedly prevent or to treat complications. So it's not the doctor. Your doctor is not the corrupted here. It's, you got it right here and here. I don't want to even mention it online. Okay, let's go down to business. People with this disease, on average, they spend 16,000 plus US dollars per year. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. I can teach you how to prevent this disease and how to revert it so that you will never have complications of this disease, so that your glucose levels are perfectly well. Even without drugs, the vast majority of people with diabetes can eventually get rid of these drugs. Some of them will have to take them forever. That's no question about it. But the vast majority can eventually decrease the doses of the medications or even get rid of these drugs. Believe me, I will record another video so I can teach you how to learn and well, so you can learn how to decrease your glucose levels. Just one. Okay. Indirect costs related to diabetes. Increased absenteeism, 3.3 billion. That's with a B. That's a lot of money. Reduced productivity at work, 27 billion. That's a lot of money. Okay, so this is a very long article. That's all I wanted to tell you. Just one more thing. Just one more thing. It's over here. Yes, I got it. This represents a 26% increase over a 5-year period. Can we say that from 2012 to 2017, can we say that the population increased by 26%? No, not really. So what is happening? Why is it that we have 1 of every 4 people in the US have diabetes? Why? Because every single day you guys are eating more junk food, artificial flavors, artificial sweeteners, and so on and so forth, that will produce diabetes on your body. That's the main reason. So it is not that the population is bigger every single year at this rate. No, it is that the population we have are eating really, really garbage and more and more and more and more every single day, every single year. And that's the reason why there are so many people with diabetes. The number one reason, the number one cause of diabetes is obesity or overweight. The number one reason why people file for bankruptcy is hospital bills, medical bills, doctor bills, pills, and so on and so forth. So believe me, then your number one priority should be your health. After that, okay, I accept it if you say God, your family, whatever. Yeah, I accept that. But also money. But that should be your priority. Forget about playing video games and show and all this irrelevant stuff. No, it's your health, your number one priority. God, family, and money. Okay, if you want to learn how to tackle down and to revert diabetes, watch our next video. Subscribe to our channel, comment, make any questions, thumbs up. I'll see you next time.